In today's video, I will guide you on how you'd be able to translate a voice message in WhatsApp. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into WhatsApp and then log in into your account. Once you're here is that you want to navigate into the settings first because there is a setting that we need to enable first. So tap here in settings on the bottom menu on the right side. And from here is that you would want to tap on the voice message transcripts. And from here, you want to go for manually right there, and then you'd now be able to see the transcript settings. So this is very important. So you can go for English right here if most of the audio that you receive is English, then WhatsApp would be able to transcribe the audio into English text. However, you are also welcome to download other languages right here. As you can see, it says available for download. So if you prefer other languages, then you can just tap on it and it will now be downloaded and applied to your settings. And now all that's left is to go here into your chats, go into the conversation where you have the audio message in, and basically just go and transcribe it. So now I'm going to create a new voice message. Hi, this is my new voice message for WhatsApp. So now I'm going to send that just like so. And then as you can see right here in the voice message that I have sent currently is that there is no transcription because you would need to hold on it first. So hold and then tap on transcribe. And then after that, it will now transcribe that audio into English or the preferred language that you have chosen. And as you can see, it has now shown that the audio is saying, "Hi, this is my new voice message for WhatsApp." So yeah, that's it on how you could do this on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.